Good day, everyone. My name is Moses, but you can call me Droid. Today, I'm really excited to present SeeWriteAI, which is an intelligent learning companion built for the AWS Breaking Barriers virtual challenge. So, as a developer who struggles with short-sightedness, I've experienced firsthand the frustration of not being able to see presentation during lectures or just some presentation. So most what I would do is just take pictures of those things and have a chance to just analyze them at a later stage when I get the time to do so. So this app actually helps me be more interested into doing those things, and it sort of helps in me trying to understand a lot of things at the same time, so at a deeper level. So what it does, it shows a visual analysis, as you can see below, and also
This is an
generates
educational
training.
diagram illustrating the structure.
So it also just speaks out to me in case I don't want to be reading the things in the screen. So this is actually more helpful for when I'm just doing multitasking things, so I get the chance to just be listening while doing my own things at the same time. So also the response time, it takes seconds to analyze, and the audio duration is also long, to the point where like you have time to digest everything. So here is where um it it comes into play, where sort of like if you don't understand a certain terminology, such as the nucleus, this one I don't understand, the endoplasmic rectum network. So you get the chance to just ask anything. What is the endoplasmic rec- reticulum network? So this one, the entire SeeWrite uses a serverless AWS architecture. Um, First, it uses AWS Bedrock Cloud 3, which analyzes educational images and generates comprehensive contextual description optimized for learning. So this system uses Amazon Q and Amazon Bedrock with Cloudy 3s on it. For future reference, I'm planning on using Cloudy 4. That's if when I get when it no longer has a timeout period. And then SeeWrite, it addresses real need that affects millions of students worldwide. It promotes educational equity by ensuring visual content is available to everyone regardless. So then now, I not only have this version, I have another version of SeeWrite. This one is more of user optimized for certain type of users. As a developer, I prefer dark mode most of the time. So this one is one that has sort of all the accessibilities, um, all the accessibility that anyone would need. Just also, I prefer small font sizes. So this one is just like more visually appealing. So this is it has application. All these two applications have been deployed on AWS. So this one also has an audio functionality. If you can see on this one, there is no audio functionality on the Q&A. So I wanted to also have audio functionality, but the difference is that in this one you have to generate, and then this one also has for
The
future
image is an illustration of an animal cell, providing a detailed cross-section.
implementation. It's gonna have visual understanding of everything that we have done. And then what should I remember? Well, I'll say right now it's just outlining what I should remember, but instead of just I can just listen to that entire response.
The key things to remember about this illustration are the major organelles, like the nucleus containing the genetic material, mitochondria producing energy, and endoplasmic reticulum for protein synthesis.
So yes, this project is a personal aspiration and a real problem that are actually faced, and also it is open source, reproducible, and deployed. So